Hello everyone, welcome to Canon Coffee. Here we have the Longi Magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the brew unit was stuck and it was giving a general alarm, and we just pretty much it was just the Hall sensor on the back of the transmission as well as this micro switch on the transmission itself that it was not detecting the brew infuser to go down pretty much, and that was making the infuser to get stuck. And this is the old infuser. And we also did a tune-up on the machine, replace those micro switches. This is the old Hall sensor, you can see, and pretty much give it a good clean inside, make sure everything's running smoothly, replace the gaskets from the generator on the back, and let's test it out. Good flow. And now steam. And there you have it, Longi Magnifica working once again. No general alarm and the brew group not being stuck inside. Thank you for preparing Canon Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.